In this lecture, we will discuss how delay in restore statehood to Jammu and Kashmir affect Indian federalism. Lecture is important for GS paper 2. Why in news? Supreme Court hearing an appeal seeking the restoration of statehood within a specific time framework fixed 2 months. The petitioner argued that continued UT status to Jammu and Kashmir infringes citizens' rights and undermines federalism, a part of the constitution's basic structure. Supreme Court gives Centre 4 weeks to respond related to restoration of Jammu and Kashmir statehood. How are states created in India? Number one, admission. A new state may be admitted into India if it has an organized political unit as per international law. For example, Jammu and Kashmir accession via the Instrument of Accession in 1947. Number two, establishment. A territory can be established as a state acquired under international law. For example, Goa and Sikkim. Number three, formation reorganization. Under Article 3 of Constitution, existing state can be reorganized. Parliament can form a new state by separating or merging territories, increasing or diminishing a state area, altering the boundaries or name of a state. For example, formation of Telangana from Andhra Pradesh. About UTs in India. Constitutional framework. Article 1. India is a union of states including UTs. The 7th Constitutional Amendment Act and the Section 6 of State Reorganization Act 1956 institutionalized the concept of UTs. Union can diminish a state area and converting it into a UT is not mentioned in the Constitution of India. Why UT are provisioned in India? Political and administrative. Direct governance in sensitive regions such as Delhi, Chandigarh. Cultural. Preservation of unique cultural identities, for example, Puducherry. Strategic. Security in strategic locations such as Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Developmental. Focused growth in backward tribal areas before statehood, for example, Mizoram and Tripura. What is India's federal design and its impact on Jammu and Kashmir statehood? India's federal design. India is a union of states indivisible and not right to secede. Article 1. Indian Constitution uses the term union instead of federation to balance unitary strength with federal character. Federalism ensures equitable resource distribution and representation of states at the union level. Rajya Sabha as a permanent house ensures state representation at the union level, safeguarding federal interest. Federalism is part of Constitution's basic structure, so it cannot be abrogated. How prolonged delay in a restoration of Jammu and Kashmir statehood affect India's federal design? Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 transformed the region into two UTs, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Although the constitutional validity of this act was upheld by the Supreme Court in 2023, it mandated restoration of Jammu and Kashmir's statehood. Opponents argue that prolonged delay in restoration of Jammu and Kashmir statehood by extending union dominance through the LG undermine federalism, which limiting the power of elected representatives. Proponents argue that due to Jammu and Kashmir's sensitive security concern, union control is crucial until stability is firm established. Importance of restoring statehood. Number one, restoring statehood to Jammu and Kashmir reaffirm India's commitment to federal integrity by promoting shared governance between the union and state. Number two, it empowered the elected assembly and enhanced democratic rights through better representation and accountability. Process for restoring statehood require repealing the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. Restoring statehood to Jammu and Kashmir would require repealing the Jammu and Kashmir Restoration Act and introducing a new bill in Parliament. Under Article 3, Parliament can form a new state from existing territory with the President's recommendation who act on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Examples of granting statehood to UTs in India: Himachal Pradesh in 1971, Manipur and Tripura in 1972, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram in 1987. Goa was formed as a state in 1987 by converting the UT of Goa, Daman and Diu. This is PYQ related to this article.